Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG back in the kitchen with leftovers. You need little treats for leftovers. Well, what do you have? We have leftover chili. You see this? Chili. So, here's what I propose to you. Get you a bag of some corn chips, right, like this, and lay yourself out on the plate. Nice layer of these little devils, if you will, right? Curly. Okay? Lay yourself out at a nice level. Corn chips out here. They're all curly. La 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 la. Here we go. It's going to take a shit ton of corn chips if they're curly to cover a plate. Like so. Right? Now, what you do, get yourself a spoon, one of these, and spoon said chili, flap it out over said corn chips. Thusly, right? A little here, a little there. Nonchalantly spread about. It'd probably help if you warmed up your chili, but that's fine. This works great. We're just going to make us up a nice plate of chili nachos. You dig? Oh, I'm trying to get in the bag. A little right there. Quit rolling around on me, you little bastards. Maybe one a little plop right here. There we go. Now, don't forget cheese. We need some cheese up in here, and you sprinkle some cheese. Like so. Right? All up on here. Just the nacho part, you know what I mean? Ugh. Yes, you could probably use that canned nacho cheese. Also, work out great. Grab a little bit more of these chips. Fine, outstanding young man that they are. Smack this up around on here. Just kind of stick them however they stick. You've got your chili on there, right? Now, for the top part layer, you got some of that like that right there, right? Now, you're going to take some of this, more cheese, you see? Put just some more cheese up on this bitch. This is a mountain of food. This is, I just got hammered, and I need something greasy to eat food. Quick, easy. It's just leftovers, something different to do with chili. You know, food. Here we go. Get out of the way, Sheila, please. Thank you. Roll this up real quick. Bam. Chips go back on the cabinet. Cheese and chili go back in the fridge. Watch this shit here. Okay, that goes on the floor, I guess. Up here. What do you see this here? Just give me a minute. Take some of that shit right there. Like that, right? Get off me, Sheila, please. Okay, now, this is not Frank's Red Hot sauce. This is BLG's Taco Bell Fire sauce. Yes, you can see how to make it. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of this around on this top layer here. Get you some heat, you see. It's like so. Now, you get fun. Now comes fun. Smack these, Sheila, please. Thank you. Smack them sons of bitches in the microwave. Watch this. I'm going to nuke these up. High power. Oh, I'm going to probably go about a minute. Bang. 1 minute. I'll see you in 1 minute. Shabam-a-lama. Now, I want to dress it up a little bit. Well, you get yourself a little fork. Oh, that's 2 forks. And chuck your ass a couple little jalapenos up over the top of this bitch like this here. Right? And there's one little crumb right there. Look at that. That's all I got. salted jalapenos I got. And there you go. A nice nacho leftovers that you can smack together quickly and very cheap. These chips, believe it or not, at the food outlet are about $1 a bag. And that's a big ass bag, enough for like 3 servings of this. So there you go. You can sprinkle some lettuce on there if you want. You can use taco meat, but we have leftover chili. There you go. I'm Lefty, and I approve this message. You hit like and subscribe, alright? Fat guy up there I'm looking at. He would appreciate that. I'm out of here. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around